Meet the Curly Crew. They're three friends who love to learn and have fun together. One day, they decided to learn about money. They wanted to know how to earn it, save it, and use it wisely. The first thing they learned was that money comes from working hard. They started doing chores around the house to earn their allowance. One friend vacuumed the floor, another watered the plants, and the third helped with the laundry. When they got their allowance, they learned to divide it into 3 jars: save, spend, and share. They put some money in each jar and felt happy knowing they were being responsible. The Curly Crew decided to save up for something special. They wanted to buy a new bike to ride together. They set a goal and started saving their money. As they saved their money, they learned to make smart choices. They didn't spend their money on things they didn't need. They waited until they had enough money to buy the bike. Finally, the day arrived when they had enough money to buy the bike. They were so excited to ride it together. The Curly Crew learned that sharing their money with others was important too. They decided to donate some of their money to a local charity. By learning about money, the Curly Crew became more responsible and confident. They knew they could achieve their goals and make smart choices. The Curly Crew's adventure taught them that money is a tool to help them achieve their dreams. They learned to earn it, save it, and use it wisely. Now it's your turn. What will you do with your money? Will you save it, spend it, or share it? Thanks for reading along with the Curly Crew. We hope you had fun and learned something new today. Don't forget, there are lots more read-along stories waiting for you right here on our channel. If you're looking for even more exciting and in-depth books to help your little ones grow in knowledge, check out our bookstore, the link's in the bio. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and keep exploring with us. See you next time.